Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to close the gap in the laminate flooring. See, you can see this laminate flooring here. See this gap? This gap? I will show you how to close it. See, first of all, I get a 2x4 piece. It's about 12 inches. It's about 12 inches, 2x4. And I bought a tape. See, I put a Gorilla double-sided tape from Home Depot, and for about $10. And then this double-sided tape, I stick it to this 2x4 piece, wooden piece. And by the way, before you put the tape, you must sand it with a sander. See this sander? You must sand it so that the surface becomes smooth, so that the glue adheres nicely. Okay, and then this one we stick it here. Now this is, once we stick it, it's going to stick it to the, and then I'm going to put 1 foot on this, 1 foot on this, and then this side. See as I'm hitting it, see how it's closing. See how it's closing. So it's done. It's done. Now one more thing. Before starting the work, the gaps you see on the floor, you should what you should do is, with a knife you go into it, loosen any dirt or something or debris, and then with a vacuum cleaner you suck it. But the main thing is that the gap must be clean. If you have debris there, if you have some stone or soil, the gap will not close properly. Okay, so see how nicely we closed it, how quickly. And now to remove it, we just comes out like this. And this one now can be used in another piece. Like for example, this one here. Let's try this. See this, I hold this piece with my foot, and then see it closed it. So that's how you do it. Now at the end, but when I close the gap, it creates another gap here, which we need to close. See, something like this, where the plank is touching the baseboard, you just close the gap. Then this will create a small gap here near the baseboard, which you can ignore, because people are not going to look at the baseboard that much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also, like this video and spread the word by sharing this video with your friends. You can click on the share button below and then share this video with your friends via WhatsApp, via email, via Instagram, via LinkedIn, or by sending email to your friends. Thank you.